Alright, what's good, YouTube? Back with another video. Package time. I got something from 614 Barber Supply. It's in a Sandex box. You know, it's nighttime. Just got off not long ago. So I already know what it is. If you read the description, you know what this is. Whole lot of tape in this box, boy. Stickers. Sheesh. This is my first Babyliss product. Babyliss. I don't know how y'all say it. Everybody say it a little different. But the packaging on this joint is fire. It's got the auto shut-off cover. Double blade, 3-hour runtime. It's got the indicator. Now I was using the Andis, and I've been using it for way too long. It's so much new stuff out that it was overdue. 10,000 RPMs, lithium-ion battery. This is some really dope packaging. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Alright. Oh, this joint is light. It's super light. These are the indicators to tell you it's charged. I know I'm probably late on this. A lot of y'all got it. Oh yeah, this is fire. I'm sure a lot of y'all got this. But, I'm a little late. I'm late, but it was time for me to upgrade. I told y'all I was looking for new stuff. You got a bag to put this joint in. You got a charger. Alright. You got instructions. So I'm gonna let this charge overnight, and I'm gonna check it out in the morning and see how I like it, and we'll talk about it tomorrow.
Good morning. Headed to the shop right now. You feel me? First Babyliss. It's upside down. My first Babyliss product I've ever bought. Dang, I feel like every time I get on this camera in the car in the morning, I'm ashy. My bad. But this is the first Babyliss product I've bought. And it's pretty light. It's pretty light. I think it's dope. I haven't turned it on yet. I just charged it. Charged it last night. 3 hours. Yeah, we're going to see what these things do today. Hopefully I got a lot of people who I can use these on today. I ain't really looked at my schedule. Hopefully these the ones for me. I got high hopes. High hopes. I hope they don't let me down. Cuss by Reggie said this was the best one, so I took his advice and grabbed them. Now, this is going to determine whether I keep listening to him or not. Nah, I'm playing, but no, he does great reviews. So we're going to get in here and we're going to put these to work and see what they about.
You can't really tell in this video, but the FX3 is a lot quieter than the Andis. For some reason on the video, the Andis sounds quiet. It's not quiet. It's pretty loud. The FX3 is quite a bit quieter. Alright, which one feels better? This one? Or this one?
Yeah, that was smooth.
This one?
Yeah, that was like smooth.
And it's a big difference too. This is melts the hair off the skin. Alright. Yeah, I'm struggling way more.
You did weird.
Hey, you don't have to lick your lips when I'm, no, I'm just playing.
What you talking about?
You don't gotta lick your lips on my video, bro. Damn. He's off. Dang, this is so quiet. All you hear is crunch. I know what you're thinking. I'm probably cutting him. That probably hurt his head red. I'm gonna tell you right now, he got sensitive skin. Okay, don't be in the comments talking that trash, bro. Cause I'll reply. Continue the video.
Is it better than mine?
Hell yeah. Well, yours is heavy as hell.
That doesn't mean it's not better.
Let me see yours real quick. Put it on the video. Take the top off. Yeah, you clean that. Let me try to put nothing dirty on my client neck.
This is the ultimate team game. You need all that.
I don't see this better now.
This heavy as hell, boy. Compared to this, way louder. It's so loud you can't even hear the crunch. But listen to this though. You hear that, Jose? Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Does it feel the same or no?
No, this feels way lighter.
No, I'm asking your friend.
I don't know what I'm comparing it to.
All right, there's that one, or there's this one.
It feels like it's taking more off.
On this one?
Yeah.
Does it crunch?
Yeah, I feel like it just takes more off.
All right, so what he means by that when he says, I feel like it just takes more off. Jose's shaver, which is the FX, the regular, the big one, the heavy one. Obviously, the blades aren't as fresh. They aren't as new. They've been used, so they're not as sharp. Of course, the FX3 is going to feel like it takes more hair off, but they literally cut the exact same. Everything is the same on them. Damn, so the crunch,
same thing.
the crunch is louder. I mean, no, that's louder. The crunch sounds the same.
It's the same thing.
You don't know?
I don't know.
But look at that battery, though. How long do those last, Jose?
I don't know.
It doesn't matter. You just gonna smoke, bro? All right, so it's been about a week. I've been using this every single day. It's a pretty good shaver. It kind of turned into almost a shootout between these three shavers. So the Andis Profoil, it shows that online they say it's over 1 hour of runtime, but they don't give an exact amount of, the runtime. It is pretty loud for it to be a shaver. I've had it for a while. I know with time it gets like that, but it's pretty loud and it is very light. And the Andis Profoil comes in at about $70. The Babyliss FX3 shaver comes in about $110. It has a 3-hour runtime. It's quiet, it's light, it's a very smooth cut. It mows through hair super easy. Now the only issue, not necessarily issue, but you have to be careful with this shaver because usually I'll go up and make a line and then I'll go down with the shaver to blend that line in. If you go too close when you're going down, it will take that hair off. So you have to be very, very careful with this shaver. It's my first Babyliss product, so it comes with trial and error. This is a very close shaver and it's very strong as well. The Foil FX2, the Babyliss Pro, the double, that one belongs to Jose actually. He's had it for a little while. It is a pretty loud shaver. I want to say it costs about $140, and that's coming from the Babyliss website. I'm sure there's places you can find them cheaper, but that's from Babyliss's website. It has a 2-hour runtime. It is the loudest shaver of these three. It has the same crunch as the FX, so that's the good thing. It's not much different from the Babyliss FX3, but it's very heavy and it is loud. Now, I'm not sure if it just gets loud over time or it was actually that loud in the beginning, but it is loud. And it has about the same amount of power as the FX3. Same thing, you go up, you make a line. If you go down with it, if you go too close while going down, it will take that hair off. So be very careful with that shaver. The shaver has also made me change a couple of steps when I'm fading someone. It is because of that. It has taken time off of some of my cuts just because the shaver just goes through everything. So it'll get through all the little stubble and all that and takes it right off. And it's a very smooth cut. Very strong, very close. I think it's a very, very good shaver. My client was like, you know what, it's pretty smooth. It's a lot smoother than the Andis one. It gets closer than the Andis one as well. The Andis is what I'm upgrading from. I went to the Babyliss FX3 and they feel like they're the same weight, but one just cuts better than the other. Of course, the Andis is pretty outdated. It only lasts like an hour. I'm not using it every day on every client. An hour can last a while, especially because you only use it on one part of the haircut. You're not using it on everything. The Andis, I did struggle with some parts of the head. If the hair was a little bit too long, or I might need to go over the hair again, especially with thick hair. I have to go over it again with the trimmer and then use the shaver again. But with the Babyliss, just mows through everything. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe, turn on my notifications, leave your comments below, and let me know what shaver you're using, of course, what your thoughts are on this shaver, good, bad, whatever. We can talk about it in the comments. See y'all in the next video. Peace.